Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Concube, and today we are going to learn about ORTEGA method, which is a 2x2 cube solving method, and from which you can solve 2x2 under 5 seconds. Yes, you can be sub 5 by using this method. And this method has also 3 stages. First you have to solve this whole white layer, okay, and then you have to make this whole yellow, and then you have to solve this side layers. Okay, so I have modified the formula and written it with my modified version, which you find it easy, many of my subscribers. Okay, and if you don't know about this, I have made a separate video for only notations from smaller cube to big cubes. Okay, so you can go and watch out that video. Okay, and in this there was one special case also, that in the first there is that one, and second is OLL, and third is PBL. It is not PLL, it is rather PBL in 2x2. And in PBL actually there was 5 formula, but I thought when I was learning it, I thought the 5 formulas are not actually required. You only require the one formula, so I made it very easy. You just have to apply this one formula and your whole cube will be done. You don't have to remember all the 5 formulas. Okay, so I made it pretty easy for you, so that you just remember one formula and do PLN in seconds. Okay, so let's come on to the first part. So let me scramble the cube. So in the first part, what you have to do, you have to just start with any of the white pieces as we did in the beginners method. But when we are going to solve all the pieces, we won't be solving like this, doing this algorithm again and again. Okay, so we will be playing smartly here. So now what we have to do, like I'm starting with this piece. Okay, so this should be on this side. Okay, so I have to make white over here. So I can see that this is your orange, green, here we are starting with this. So you have green and orange here. So now you either need green or orange first. So let's see which. Okay, so in this you can see that there is green. Okay, and this green needs to come here. So you can easily put it upstairs. And now what you can do? Now what you can do is, you can just align this green with this and you can directly put it up here. So it just made your 2 pairs. Okay, similarly you will go on to now red or orange. Okay, so here it is the red. Okay, so what should we do with this? Okay, so this is in the side layer first, so I am taking orange first because it is in the side layer and it can be easily fitted to here. How it can be easily fitted? What you have to do, you have to just match it with the orange piece, your white piece, and it should be like this. Your white should be facing sideward, it should not be upward. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to just fix it like 3x3. You can easily move it like this. So this is also fixed. So now you're left with last one. You can easily do, you can first bring it to the side layer, this white side, and which can be easily done by this, then matching the center and then keeping it in its position. Okay, so in this way you are going to solve this, and you can see some example solve also from many speed cubers. You will learn a lot about them also from example solving, and you can get fast also. I'll tell you, if there is white over here, so don't do it here so that white come here. Rather you should do it this side so that white come in center, and then keep it aside and then fix it up. Okay, so now you have done first layer. So now we will go on to our OLL. So this is your first OLL case, in which in 3x3 we call it fish, but it is only one piece here, so we call it nothing. Okay, so it is the first case, this case, and this is the clockwise. You can remember it from the clockwise pieces here, or what you can do, you can face this yellow side on your left front side, and you can see whether here is it yellow or not. If here it is yellow, so you have to hold like this only and do the second algorithm. If there is no yellow, you have to rotate it 180 degree and perform the first algorithm. So I learned by this. You can learn by anything, whichever you find it easy. So this was the first case, and you have to move the you have to apply the simple formula which you already know in 3 by 3 beginners, and every method it is used. So this is RU U2 RD UR RU UR RD. Okay, so this is solved. So now let's come on to second method. Okay, so this was the second method. Okay, your yellow is upstairs and this is facing front of you, so now you don't have to see anything. So we got our clue, so we can easily put our second formula. And this also, you know, I taught you in the C4 case. If you want more clarity in OLL and want to improve your OLL's timing, you should watch the my C4 OLL video. It will help you improve a lot. Actually, most of the formula are from 3 by 3 only, but there are changes in 2-3 formulas in 2 by 2. Okay, so what you should do in this case, you have to apply second formula, and second is like RU UL RD UL RU U2 RD. Okay, so this is your third case in which you have headlights like this, and these two yellow are like this. Okay, see the position. So in this case you have to hold the cube like this and perform the third algorithm. Okay, this is not similar to the 3 by 3. Okay, in 3 by 3 it is different, so I will be telling you what are the difference in 3 by 3 formula and 2 by 2. So third formula is different for this one and 3 by 3. So you have to hold it like this and perform this formula from here. Write up UL, write down UR, write down FL, write up FR, and it's solved. So this is your fourth case in which you have yellow like in diagonals and you have one here and one here. So in this case what you have to do, you have to hold it like this side so that one yellow is facing this word and one yellow is facing towards you and from the left. And so you have to hold like this and perform the fourth algorithm, which is FL RD FR. Okay, then write up UL, write down sorry, it was write up. I by mistakenly do write down. So what I can do, I can just fix it up quickly. So this was the initial state. Okay, and you can start from here now. RU UR, write down. Okay, so if you want to do it again, I can do it again for you. So this was the case, I am doing it again, so because I did some mistake. And this was the fourth case. What you can do, FL RD FR RU UL RU UR RD, and it's solved. So this is your fifth case in which two headlights are here and two are like this. So you have to hold it like this side so that these two which are together should face the left hand side, and you have to perform the fifth algorithm since it is the fifth case. So what is the case? Write up U2 R2 UR R2 UR R2 U2 R. So this is your sixth case in which one headlights are this and one is this. So there is nothing on the sideways. So you have to hold it like this, that one is backward and one is right front of you. So what you have to perform the sixth algorithm, which is R2 U2 right up, again U2, again R2, and it's solved. And the corresponding to this formula, there is one more formula I am telling you. Okay, let's first do this. So like this, there is one more formula in which you can do this also. Okay, so this was from the 3 by 3 and this formula was quite handy. You can use any one of the formula. Okay, so I suggest you to go to check my 3 by 3 OLL series. Okay, it will be very much helpful to you. So now we are coming to our last part. So this is the last part in which two yellow are here and two are here. So in this, what you have to hold like this. There are actually two formula. This is for the 2 by 2 and there was one 3 by 3 formula also. To check the 3 by 3 formula, go to my OLL series. Okay, so I am telling you for the 2 by 2 only. So from 2 by 2 you have to hold it like this. This is also an easy formula, you can learn this also. Okay, so FL RU UL RD UR FR, and this is solved. And if you want to see the 3 by 3 OLL formula, in that you have to hold it like this and you have to take it back and rotate it once, again upward, then rotate it again, and then oh sorry, I did some mistake. It was like this. Okay, you have to take it back, rotate it once, back, rotate it twice, again back, rotate it once, back, rotate it twice, and then back. Okay, so this was for the 3 by 3. Now what you have to do, since your OLL is complete, so now you have to go to PBL. In PBL you have to find any piece like which two are solved. So in this I can see that none of them is solved, so you can apply this formula from anywhere. From this you will get your one piece solved, and by applying it twice you will get your cube solved. So I can apply from any side, that is RD FL RD 2 back RU FR RD 2 back then 2R. Okay, so in this you can see you will get two pieces at the back. Here I can see that I got this two red pieces at the back, so you can just align it with their respective color, and now you will hold it from this side so that your solved piece is as the back, and apply the same formula, and your game is over and cube is solved. So this was it. Okay, so you have to apply the same formula. And it is solved. Okay, so this was very easy. I hope you liked this video, and from this I guarantee you that you will be able to solve under 15 seconds at first if you learn all of this, and by practice only you can make sub 5. Okay, so also you should see my other videos also, so that you get your perspective widen and you are able to know more things and about cubing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you like this video easy, so you can give this video a thumbs up, and if there is any suggestion for this channel, or you want me to solve or make tutorial for any of the puzzle, you can just mention me in the comment section. Okay guys, bye.